In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you how to parse a blood report PDF using PDF.co document parser. We're going to use this sample blood report PDF for this tutorial. Let's start by logging in your PDF.co account. Next, on your dashboard click the Document Parser menu. On your Document Parser page, click the New Template. Once you're on the template editor page, load your sample document to be used for your template. Then, click the Add Object button and select the Add field from rectangle selection to get our patient name and report date value. Next, let's add an object. Select the Add Table from rectangle selection to get the test results value. Once you're finished adding objects, you may now run the template that you created. Here's the parse data from our blood report PDF. Once you're done creating your template, you may now save it. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.